What's going on YouTube? Back with another video. It's Letty here again, and we got the 150cc moped. We're not getting any charge to the battery, so I'm gonna try to replace the stator to see if that works. And also, our lights do not work. Only like at top speed you start seeing flickering. So my lights don't work, only at high speeds, and the battery's not charging. So we're gonna diagnose that to see. I have a power probe we can plug into the battery. We're gonna see if we're getting the right voltage. We're gonna swap the stator to see if that fixes the issue. So yeah, just stick with me and we're gonna see how to do this. Alright, so first thing I wanna start doing is taking out the seat, because that way we have access to our stator plugs and wires. We got the battery, we can see it there. We're gonna have to jump start it since we don't have any juice. We're gonna have to remove the stator fan and the actual stator itself. I already removed the fan. I just need to remove the housing and everything. And yeah, I'll show you guys what I mean, what symptoms I'm getting. Moped on right now. I got nothing on the cluster. Power probe won't even turn on. The battery is dead completely. Alright, so for me to get to the stator, I'm gonna have to remove this stator fan housing, and it's usually 2 screws right there, and 8mm bolt on the bottom, 8mm bolt on the top. This is a 17mm nut, and then you're gonna need the flywheel puller, or the stator puller. I got a 17mm. Yeah, you're gonna need an impact to do this always, because you're not gonna remove that nut with a wrench, because it will just spin the whole thing. Then you want to take your puller, cheap puller, Amazon, eBay. Just look it up, 150cc stator puller. It'll pop up. Comes off. Yeah, look at our stator, guys. It's all messed up. That's probably the reason why we're not having any charging, and also our lights flickering. Alright, so let's install a new stator. Installing the cover, lines up with the little notch right here. Right there. Put this. It's good and tight. No touching, doesn't rub, all good. Now we're gonna go up. We're gonna connect the new plugs. This is our harness, our original moped, and this is the new one, new plug. So it's got pretty much connected, easy as that. Make sure the colors line up. Yellow goes on the bottom, white on the left, yep, green on the right, yep. Should just be plug and play. Boom. Now we gotta get this blue wire to it has white, it goes with the red and white. There we go. Now the red and black goes with the red and black. Compared to earlier, the screen is on now, so battery charge is a little bit for sure. See, it's climbing to 11 volts. Yep, battery's charging for sure. Alright guys, so now we're gonna install stator fan, install this ground back. Two screws that go in the right here and here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will be dropping more videos soon. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good one.